What's up everyone, this is Kenny here from Property Stories. So today I got a question here. I was saying, to give you a little bit of context, I was sharing with my friend, buy from developer, no address. And then my friend told me, I thought got right address, no meh? You know how to know which unit or place you buy. Okay, when you buy a property from developer, right, you notice the SMP. That is the parcel number. Say you say, oh, facing golf course, level 17, unit number 10. So block A, so it's A1710, okay? That is the parcel number. Then when you get the keys, the local council, the city council will issue what is called a postal address. That is the full address of the unit that you buy. So how do you make sure that is the unit you wanted and you bought? This is the correct unit. When the salesperson write the booking form, make sure the booking form states the parcel number that you chose, that you wanted. Like for example, we chose A1710, then the booking form must write there A1710 and the project name. This parcel number will also appear on the SMP, and also if you are taking a loan, then it will appear on the offer letter. That's how you know you got the correct number, okay? So once you got the keys, the council will issue the postal address. In the postal address, you will get the actual full address of the place that you bought, okay? Maybe the parcel number may not be A1710 already. Maybe it will be 1710 only without the A, something like that, okay? We do not know. But for the loan application, if you are buying for under construction properties, that is the procedure. You will get the parcel number first, okay? Only when it's completed, you will get something called the postal address, which is different from the parcel number. Postal address states the full address together with the postcode of the place, everything there, okay? The road name, the postcode, everything. I hope that clarifies between the difference between parcel number and postal address. And technically, you actually buy under construction property, you got no address, okay? You only got a parcel number. So I hope that is clear. And if you are still not sure, you can ask me questions regarding real estate or bank loans in the comments down below. I will appreciate if you ask the questions down below, alright? It helps with the algorithm. So this is Kenny here from Property Stories. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do hit the subscribe button down below, and I'll see you again next video. Bye bye.